How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So if you've been following along, and last time you saw us, we collected the Skyline. Well, we got the Skyline delivered over. It's all painted, looks mint. Go up upstairs, go up to the garage, get cracking on with it. So putting all the bits back on it. We're still waiting on parts, obviously, and I also need to get this bad boy checked out because we're on the A45 side. We're on track next weekend, so we need to get this checked, all the bolts torqued, all the fluids checked, just stuff like that. But yeah, let's get up the garage and get it done. Here he is. Yeah, so today's mission: get the brakes working, get the clutch working. Nothing too big. Should be easy enough. I'll show you what we got going on with the lines anyway, how we got to run them. They came off a GTR, so we're trying to adapt these front big brake 6-pots calipers to the Gtst. I mean, they fit, obviously. Here we go, look. See what I mean now? The lines are, I don't know, just a bit confusing. This is what happens when you're a noob. You don't really know what you're doing, so I've got to connect that somehow to the caliper. And obviously run that line, bolt it to the hub somewhere, and have that line going up through the chassis onto the braided lines. Onto the copper lines. And also we have a new clutch master because the other one was underwater for many of years and it doesn't work. Apparently we tried bleeding it and nothing happened, so I purchased a new one. I'll link it in the description down below. JDM Garage, I think I got it from. We are flying. It's almost like I'm driving a car again. Currently bleeding the clutch. Yeah, as you can see at the minute, the clutch literally just dropped straight to the floor, so we're bleeding it. Okay boys, that's the clutch all done. Can't really show you it because, you know, it's just a clutch, but new master on. Next we are going to be swapping out these crusty old brake discs, some brand spankers. I've had these for a while, but I didn't want to put them on whilst it was sat around. They just get rusty again, so let's get these new ones on. Nothing wrong with a bit of eBay brakes. Shutting. Look at them. There's John saying he wants to save the old ones. Look how beautiful they are. Look at this, John. Look how handsome that is. Before and after. Look at the difference. Oh, the crusty. No. Oh, there we go. Looks much better. I know I could have cleaned up the old ones with a bit of wire wear and all that, but I just couldn't be bothered basically. I'll stick a link down in the description for the rear brake discs anyway. eBay ones, so they're not too expensive, but see how long they last, if they warp or not. Hopefully not. Oh yeah, just to mention as well, we got the rear braided lines on the back as well. Obviously rear. They're Duluck. I've had them for years, but I've just cleaned them up. They got a bit of overspray on them, but they're still good. Bit of blue and pink. All looks good. But yeah, I've just torqued down all the wheel nuts on the AMG. Checked all the levels. They're all good. Everything looks pretty good. Ready for the track day on Saturday. So yeah, I'll be making a video on that, guys. So you can like and subscribe to the channel. And you'll see that bad boy on probably the Sunday I'll upload it, because I'll be doing it on the Saturday. But yeah, it should be a laugh. I've been on the track once with it before. Only going up Castle Combe, local track to me down in Plymouth. Look at these lot grafting on the Skyline. Alan and John, Skyline Restorers. But I've just started cleaning up some of the dash interior parts as well, because the car is getting reassembled now. We need everything clean. Some of these bits were left in water for years, so they've got like water staining, but yeah, a bit of a degreaser and shampoo and whatnot on them, and it should be all back to black. Oh yeah, big thanks to Alan and John, who have been smashing out all the black interior trims and rubbers and all that needed to be done. I've been at work, so they've happily done it for me. Thanks a lot. It looks awesome. Right guys, there you go. Yeah, brakes were all finished up. Alan's just going to bleed him on the Wednesday because we've run out of time now. He's got to lock up, go home. I've got to go home, got work tomorrow. But yeah, he's going to bleed him on Wednesday when he comes back. He has Tuesdays off. The clutch is all sorted. We got that sorted out. I've checked over the A45. He's all good. Torqued the wheel nuts down. Checked all the levels. They're all good. And yeah, it was a good day's work. The goal today was to get the brakes and the clutch done. That's done. So every time I come up here, knock some things off the list. We're getting closer and closer. But yeah, like and subscribe to the channel, guys. There'll be plenty more Skyline stuff and plenty of A45 stuff to come. I'll see you next one. Take it easy.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing